Good afternoon. I'm Brent Wilsey, and welcome to Friday's edition of the Smart Investing Daily Briefing. And I was thinking, it is Friday. Do you get big plans this weekend?
Well, I'm Chase Wilsey. March Madness is going on, so definitely watching a lot of March Madness this weekend. Excited for that. I know what you're doing.
Yeah, I was gonna say you're not going to the bunny ball, are you?
I'm not going to the bunny ball. I got some other matters I have to attend to
Sports
on my couch.
Okay. Yeah, it is the bunny ball weekend. Hope to see you all there. But today we're talking about our pot stocks. I feel funny talking about marijuana.
I know.
Our pot stocks, are they the place to be now? A lot of things. California passed, all these states passing it. So I bet you some people are saying, I'm going to invest in this now, aren't they?
I was going to say, can these pot stocks make your portfolio high?
I don't know. You're smoking something. Well, actually, one thing people probably realize is they're not legal in every state. Oh, that's okay and so forth. But they don't know that the federal law can trump state law.
Kind of funny that you used the word Trump there because, the FBI can come in and say, whoa, you're smoking a doobie. I'm going to take that from you and give you a ticket. The federal law trumps the state law. And Donald Trump and his attorney general, Jeff Sessions, I believe his name is, they're not too big on this pot industry. They're kind of skeptical.
Yeah, and again, we tell you when you invest to make sure you understand everything about it, and maybe these pot stocks do go through the roof, but your risk is very high because of these things we're talking about, and most of them trade on the smaller market, the OTC market, which is not very liquid. So you can be stuck with something and say, well, I bought it at 10, I'll sell if it goes to 9. It go from 10 to 5 very quickly because there's not much liquidity there. And the big thing I don't like about these pot companies is that they're all cash businesses. And again, hard to do the accounting. And I remember you took accounting, I took accounting. When you do these accounting rules, you have two people checking things. So two people checking in cash. How hard is it to say, hey, buddy, if you help me out, I'll give you $1,000 of this. And all of a sudden, it wasn't $10,000, it was $5,000 came in. So I don't like these businesses mostly because they're cash businesses.
And when we analyze businesses that we're going to buy, we look at the accounting because it's so important. People, kind of going back, but looking at Enron, people are like, well, why didn't you invest in Enron? Because the accounting was weird.
Exactly.
Well, why don't you invest in marijuana stocks? Well, again, the OTC, a couple other things. But again, the accounting is the big deterrent for us.
As I say, they may go through the roof, but people always wonder why they lose money investing in stocks. And it's because you do a silly thing, not a smart thing. I'm telling you, stay away from those pot stocks. They may go up in smoke.
I was going to say one other thing, too, was, there's a lot of different dispensaries out there, a lot of different companies. How do you know which ones are going to make it? A lot of questions in the air. Not worth the risk, in our opinion.
Do you think we're clear on if you should invest in pot stocks or not? I think we're at a point across. So let's talk about a company that is a stable company. That's Amgen, a big drug company. Current price around $165.85 per share. Their 52-week high, $184 with a 52-week low of $133. I like this so far. Sales are up 6%. Earnings per share up 13.3. We always look at valuations. What you're paying for something. The price to sales, what you're paying for the sales, 5.3 below the industry at 6.3, and price of cash flow. We always talk about how important cash flow is. You're only paying 12.4 times versus the industry at 26.5. So I'm liking this so far.
And I'll tell you, I can trust this cash flow from the company. But that cash flow must be very strong for the company. They must have a lot of liquidity because they have a very high current ratio of 4.1. This tells us they have 4 times as much in 12 months of assets over 12 months of liabilities. So again, very, very liquid. A little bit high on the debt to equity, however, it's 115.8%. But again, that high liquidity, I kind of feel a little safer with a higher debt to equity as long as you have more liquidity. One thing I like about this company, good dividend yield, about 2.8%. And they use about 38.6% of their earnings to pay that out. So not concerned about the longevity of this dividend as they're not overpaying with their earnings. Now moving forward to December 2018, estimated earnings per share on a GAAP basis, $11.32, gives a target sell price of $186.78. So some positives for this company, but not a large enough estimated return for me to feel comfortable buying at this level.
This could be remain patient because we keep talking about there could be a pullback. Maybe this goes down 5-10%. All of a sudden, bam, you got one that is a good buy. So we like it, watch it, but not recommended buy at this point in time. So, well, that wraps it up for the Smart Investing Briefing for the Friday edition. Have a great weekend. You have more questions, you're always welcome to give us a call here at the office at 858-546-4306. That's 858 546-4306.
And go to our website, smartinvesting2000.com. Important to go there now so you can register for our upcoming workshop we held on April 11th. That's a Tuesday evening at the Crown Plaza Hotel in Mission Valley. We'll be showing you how we manage money here at Willis Asset Management. A lot of people ask, what do you do? How do you do it? Well, you got to come to the workshop to find out. We'll also be showing you why value investing makes sense and why it's been a part of Willis Asset Management for many, many years. Don't mind his age over here. But
I'm only 40. And also, too, I'm in the midst of picking the appetizers for that right now, so I'm picking some good ones. I'm getting hungry trying to do that. So, all right. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll talk more next week, and hope to see you at the Bunny Ball.